Hi guys, hi everybody's watching this video right now. My name is Tim Wider, and today I want to show you the incredible method how you could make money $50 fast just by working from home. Because basically right now I'm home, this is my kitchen, and I can work from here. And in this video I want to teach you how you could do the same and start to make the $50 fast just by the 1 hour. So 1 hour and you make the $50. If you're interested, check this video to the end because it's really incredible, guys. So guys, how to actually make the $50 fast? For sure, this is not a secret that I work in the Be Happy company, and today I want to show you how you can make the same, how you can make the $50 fast per hour, because the opportunity is global and everybody can join. But for that kind of the people who do not understand what is the Be Happy company, I want to explain in the few words. Guys, if you don't know Be Happy company before, Be Happy company was created for the simple people who wants to find the way of success. This is the network marketing opportunity where everyone can join. It doesn't matter where you live. Maybe it will be Nigeria, maybe it will be Ghana, maybe it will be Ukraine, maybe it will be United States of America. It doesn't matter, because we have a lot of the countries who work in here. And right now you have the option, be the leader in your city, in your country, the first one, yeah, and start to make the really powerful income. Because some of the people who go into this company, they knew, if they're before in their city was nobody, and you came with the new opportunity, with the new incredible way how to make money online, and telling about this to your people, or just basically to the people. So you will see how all of this is working, how many people will join, and the money will really you will start to make really incredible money. This is what I want to explain to you guys. So what you must do exactly? You must to explain the people about our products. You must explain the people about this opportunity. And we have many options to get paid. For example, guys, we have the 50% customer sale. Like if somebody will go on through your store, because all the people who register in the Be Happy company will receive personal store for free. You will have your personal tools, you will have your personal store, and everything you need to work. And when somebody will go through your personal store, he will get in the product for himself, you will receive 50%. Guys, it's really incredible. You don't need to buy anything, after that, sell it for somebody. Yeah, you don't need to do it. Just you make the recommendation to the people. The people, they like it, the product, they see description, they see videos, they're watching webinars. All of this is automated, guys. All the system is automated. So you must just start to make this business, and you will see how the numbers will grow. And like I said, we have the incredible products. It's the Elevate and the Accelerate. Accelerate right now. Elevate was somewhere right here. Yeah, it's Elevate and the Accelerate, guys. And really, these products works because this products was created to increase immunity system. And every Tuesday, my sponsor, his name is Larry Lane from the Hollywood, California, incredible guy, he doing the power calls with the different kind of the people, with the different people who work in here, so you can hear a lot of the testimonials, you can hear the doctors, the meaning of that, what they think about these products, and how these products can help the people. So, today in this age, we have a lot of the disease, like cancer, like the stones in the kidney, like the sugar, so high, and many things. And these kind of the products can protect your immunity and increase your immunity. So it will be really great for that kind of the people who have some disease right now, and they can go from there. They can leave that disease behind. So guys, time is right now, time for the revolution. So guys, what I want to say right now, you want to make $50 fast, right? You're watching this video, you want to make $50 fast. In the description you will find the link for join our WhatsApp group, where you can ask me, in the real time, all of your questions. And there also we will explain you what you must do exactly to achieve that money. Guys, it's not that huge money, $50 fast, but if you will start to make it, because for somebody, for some people, it's amount, it's money, $50, because like for some people they live in very poor. But here's the opportunity which can help you to grow, which can help you to make this money every single day. Of course, for some people it works per hour, but I cannot guarantee that you exactly watching this video right now can make this money per hour, because some of the people, the people is different. Some of the people can do, some of the people maybe need like 1 day, some of the people need 2 days, some of the people need just 1 hour. That's why this video is called $50 per hour. Guys, so what I want to say, you want to make the money, so link in the description, there will be our WhatsApp chat, and you can ask in the real time all of your questions. Also the link will be in the description, join the business. So first you join the business, after that you join our WhatsApp chat, and we're starting to make the revolution with you. $50 guys, really great and perfect opportunity. Everything's legit. Also we have the Facebook group, we have the WhatsApp chat, we have the tutorials, we have the trainings, we have the webinars. All you need guys, just your desire, just your passion, and everything will be. It was Team Wider guys, waiting for your messages, waiting for your calls. All the links in the description. Let's start to make this money together, because it can help a lot of the people all around the world to get that what they need.